Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And this is Huawei P Smart 2021. It's a mid-range offering with decent hardware, 48 megapixel main camera, and a large 5000 mAh battery. So let's unbox this thing. So you can see the phone comes in standard package. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Huawei P Smart 2021. So, nothing special. USB-C cable and power cord. Okay. Not for sale. Very nice color, I have to say. Let's turn on this beast. Huawei. The phone is built around a 6.6 inch Full HD Plus display with a, hard to see, with a centered punch hole cut out for the 8 megapixel selfie cam. The panel supports a 22:8 aspect ratio. Under the hood we have the trusty current 710A paired with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 GB storage, which is expandable via microSD. The software front is covered by MIUI 10.1 alongside Android 10. Okay. Next. Forgot. Skip this. Leave. Or next. Skip. No thanks. Later. Later. Okay. Set up as new device. Select all. Next. And here we are. Okay, open settings. About phone. And as you can see, there is MIUI 10.1.1, Android 10, Kirin 710A, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 GB storage, resolution Full HD Plus, Android security patch from August 1st. Home screen, display and brightness, dark mode, no Google Play services on this phone. App Gallery is here. Nothing special. Beta Club. Inside this phone is a 5000 mAh battery with 20.5 watts charging, and there is side mounted fingerprint, and the phone also rocks a headphone jack right here, and the fingerprint scanner is right here, as you can see. Eight megapixel selfie cam, and on the back, very nice. The camera department here is headlined by a 48 main shooter, which sits alongside an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens The other two sensors are 2 megapixel macro shooter and 2 megapixel depth helper. Okay. On camera application. So this was a quick look at the brand new Huawei P Smart 2021. Don't forget to subscribe or also like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, wear the mask, peace out!